Hello, Year 8. I hope everyone is well and I hope you've had a great week. So many of you have been in touch to let me know what you've been getting up to, which is great. So thank you for your emails and for your artwork as well. Again, many of your teachers have been in touch to nominate you on your fantastic efforts and super work. So let's begin today with that praise. Now let's begin with history. Mrs Hitch would like to make her regular Holly B nomination. This week she drew a wonderful kangaroo, so well done, Holly. Also Phoenix, who was the only person to spot that Miss had forgotten to attach the task sheet to her email, and he replied to us with some work, so well done, Phoenix. Mr Finley says well done to Abigail R for her excellent assessment of why the English Civil War began. Miss Watson has nominated Isaac B, Epinay and Lauren F this week for their super work. Again, Mr Walker has nominated so many of you, so listen up, sit comfortable, I'll start the list. Well done to Liam F, Ryan T, Poppy N, Jacob T, Oliver H, Megan R, Roberto, Epinay, Harley B, Connor H, Ethan R, Jing, Ruby D, Ben W, Sky K, Brandon S, Lucas W, Lucas T, William S, Emma D, Brooke D, Cameron C, Leo S, Katie C, and Amelia M. Great job, everyone. Now over to art. Mrs Small says well done to Isabel U for her creative photography project, so well done. I'd personally like to say well done to Amber H for a brilliant wolf, Jack H for his space picture, and Cody J for a brilliant artwork. Thank you for sending them in. And now from science, Miss Milner has nominated Epinay, Oliver H and Abby R, Joe B and Cameron W for their continuous fantastic effort in science. They're doing so well and she's very, very proud of you all. Miss Capel has nominated Holly B and Isaac B for their extended writing on variation, and also Amelia M for her excellent notes on the solar system. I'd also like to say well done to Mackenzie B for his brilliant science work as well, so keep that up. The IT department want to recognise Phoenix, Abby R, Epinay and Poppy N for their great work, so well done everyone. Now from the English team, Mrs Moffat would like to nominate Isabel U and Harry H for their outstanding effort and work on Animal Farm, particularly their understanding of language analysis, so well done you two. I'd like to say well done to Cameron W for his great work on Snowball, and also William S and Jess U for their brilliant work. The rest of the English team want to say well done to Abby R and Lucas T for the continuous effort and commitment and producing high-level work, Sydney W, Lucas W, Amelia M and Libby B for weekly work sent to a really high standard, also Poppy N and Alex G for their continuous work and effort. Well done everyone. Now over to food. Miss Wilson says well done to Phoenix. He's been doing some great cooking for his family, including a tuna pasta bake and stir fry. He's sent some great pictures of his ingredients and finished dishes, so well done Phoenix. Also, Jacob T has been a star throughout. He's sent in recipes and pictures every week. He's choosing very exciting and healthy food for his family. Miss Wilson is so proud of him and cannot wait to teach him, or for Jacob to teach her when they all return. And Joe B also made his family a great looking shepherd's pie. He also served it very professionally with a healthy side portion of green vegetables, so well done Joe. Also from food, Miss Allen wants to say well done to Holly B. She's made ginger biscuits, a chocolate cake for her cousin's birthday and pizza. Holly, you've done a brilliant job with your bread dough kneading and shaping, and we'd all love a slice. Also, Lucas W has been cooking for his family outside on the barbecue. Miss Allen says it's excellent to see you branching out and using different cooking methods, so well done. Miss Talbot's been in touch. She's sent a special congratulations to Amber H for working so hard in lockdown. Miss Talbot sends you a big social distance hug. We're all really proud of you, Amber, so keep it up. And now on to our superstars for this week. And this week it goes to Lydia E. She's been amazing throughout this entire lockdown. Lydia's mum and dad have been in contact to say how proud they are of Lydia, and also of Lydia's brother Aidan, who is in year 7. Both Lydia and Aidan are very proactive with their schoolwork. They organise what they're going to do the night before and pop it in the files ready for the next school day. They stick to the school timetable and they know what is expected of them. And also understand how important it is to keep their minds and their bodies active. Not once have they moaned of being bored. Now the word is actually banned in their house. I'm thinking of trying that in my house too. And they've been so mature about the whole situation. Mum and dad are absolutely bursting with pride. And so are we at Netherwood. So well done both of you. It's fantastic to hear. Well done everyone. Keep up the fantastic work and remember to keep emailing us. Check your emails too. If you're not sure if you've heard your name, remember to check your inbox. I will send you an email of congratulations. So well done everyone who's been nominated this week. Parents and carers, don't forget to let us know if your child has been a superstar too. Drop me an email. Okay, I'll now pass over to Mr. Coulson, who's got a message for you all.
Good morning, Year 8. It's lovely to see so many nominations still coming in from staff and for different students every week. A big special shout out to Amber H sending me the drawing yesterday of the fox. It looks absolutely brilliant. Just keep up the good work, Year 8. We have only got 5 weeks left, so just keep putting the effort in. We will get through this. Look forward to seeing you all soon. Stay safe.
Thanks, Mr. Coulson. Finally from me, don't forget to check your emails and also the Netherwood platform. You'll find up-to-date schoolwork, Miss Smith's guitar lessons, the food department's newsletter, and also take a look at the book Spine Poetry. I'm going to give that a go this week too and send that to Miss Bryan. If you are reading anything at the moment and would like to share a recommendation or a review, please drop me an email. Or if you've been busy doing something a little out of the ordinary through lockdown, maybe you've learned a new skill or taken up a new hobby, why not share it with us? I look forward to hearing what you've been up to. That's it from me this week, Year 8. I hope you have a fantastic week and take care. See you next week. Bye bye, everyone.